What you saw is our electric record breaker 1 helicopter. It's a coaxial counter-rotating helicopter. We just went through the startup procedure. Different from a normal helicopter, the throttle would normally be right here. You rotate it. But unlike gasoline engines, electric motors have 100% torque at 0 RPM. So this motor is actually so powerful we can snap the blades right off. So digitally we need to program the ramp and have it go slower to the maximum acceleration that the rotors can handle. And that's what's being tested here. And now that it's proven out, we're putting back on the balanced rotors and proceeding to outdoor static and hover tests. There's a little over 180 companies worldwide that are doing electric eVTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, but there's only 2 helicopters in the world that are electric, this being one of them, that's capable of flying with no power. Meaning if the motor dies, if anything in the electronic system dies, it's capable of auto-rotating, flying as a glider. So a very large company, as a result of seeing this aircraft at Oshkosh, has given us an order for 11 aircraft, one of which being the next-gen electric one. The first ones are a gasoline engine. Okay. There's a very big price difference right now, so as the battery prices come down, then the volume will increase in the market. Well, the next step in testing is going to be, with the balanced rotor set on it, actually going to hover and flight tests. The next step in the evolution is the autopilot designs that we're making. No helicopter under about $8 million has an autopilot, and most of the autopilot technology is anywhere from 30 to 70 years old. We're basically taking next-gen, drone autopilot technology and developing it specifically for a rotorcraft, which is gonna, the safety implications for pilots is tremendous. It's gonna save a lot of lives. This one's a chromoly frame because we're dealing with a legacy transmission, but all the new ones that we're manufacturing are designed for carbon monocoques. So we have the carbon fiber production line is being set up at Hansen Island. We moved, I think it was 8 tractor trailers loads of equipment, which is really all the parts to put one machine together. And we've got a team from Germany coming in mid-December to commission the line. And that's where we're going to be making the fuselages for all these 11 helicopters.